So what we got today? We got Copart picking up another car. This car is pretty cool, I guess. If you ever dealt with Copart, you know the pain. Copart is hard to deal with. It really is. If they could get their customer service and their yards taken care of, it would make life so much easier for buyers and sellers. But part of corporate businesses like this. So we got a car coming out any minute. I'm gonna show y'all a walk around. We're gonna check it out, look at it. It's a little banged up, more than I would normally work on, but I got a good paint body shop, so we'll just have to see. See y'all in a minute. So y'all know I don't go that far. Got a couple straps on it, wheel to wheel. I've been watching some videos on how to hook them up better, just to make it a little bit more safer. So I put a pin point here underneath, but it don't go anywhere because of the beam underneath. Same thing back here. That one might slide a little bit. And I didn't mean to buy this car. Like, I know everyone says that, but really I didn't mean to buy it. I'm selling that Explorer here, and this is right underneath the Explorer. So when I was watching the Explorer, this popped up next. I was like, you know what? For $4 grand, I'll buy this thing. This damage don't scare me too much. I mean, I don't do body work. I'll send it off to get the body work done. Maybe I'll put a door on it. I don't know how hard these doors are to replace. Couple of bolts right there. Another couple of bolts. But this thing is nice, and it's got the Beats radio. It's a sweet deal. And if y'all looking for some big trucks, there's some nice looking trucks. I paid 13 grand for that one. That is a heavy duty truck. But the way they're loading it, those dual wheels probably won't even go over the fenders. I was gonna haul that for that guy until I seen it as a dually. I said, no way. But there's all types of stuff. Go check out Copart. I'm in Oklahoma City, and they got quite a bit. I got good tires on this. So whenever I get back to the shop, we're gonna get it off the trailer, start it up, and do all that kind of stuff. Sorry, dang, I was up in y'all's face. But there we go. It's a clean car. Those go for like, I was looking at some of them. It's a 14 model. A lot of them are going for like 12 to 15 grand, which ain't bad. Even if I sold it cheap just to get rid of it, I could sell it for 10 grand or 7 grand, and I still make money. And I'll drive it during Christmas and all that stuff. I don't know what it is, but every time this year, I buy a new car. And this is the worst time of year to buy a freaking car, because I got property taxes, Christmas, birthdays. I hate this time of year. Anyways, like I said, I'll drive it for a couple months, and then tax season comes and I'll sell the thing and put some money in my pocket. Ready, set, come on now. Okay, that was embarrassing. I've done this all day, now I don't want to start. So I'll play a second of the radio. I don't want to get copyrighted. But like I said, I'll play a second on sound. Look, we got lights. Headlights with wipers. The heck was that? Daytime running lights, flash. I ain't never seen that. I ain't never had nothing this new. So I know y'all be driving them new cars and stuff. I don't be doing all that. I don't even know what that is. Or any of that. But I do know what bass is. Mids. Oh, that looks alright. ain't bad. AC blowing for no reason, but it's cold. I ain't gonna complain. Window wipers, they need replaced. Brights. This thing is clean. Oh yeah, $1 million. I'm just kidding. Alright, it ain't so clean. What the heck is that crap? I hate people that do sunflower seeds in cars. Oh, that's cool. I got little ring lights. Got them little lights on the doors. And the windows are already tinted. It's not like super dark, but hey. We got all this stuff. Garage door opener. Got some lights. And those little extended visors. World. Okay. Watch this. So I went to pull this out. Bam. What the heck is that? Why is it moving? I think it's broke. Damn, Dodge. Can't build nothing right. People normally leave the CDs in the cars. Not this person. So we got these. These adjust those. And those. See that? Bam, bam. Oh, it even adjusts the back ones. That's pretty cool. I don't know what it's doing, but this AC works perfect. And it sounds alright. They don't sound bad at all. Let's see what else these things got. So there's that tear I wanted to look at. It don't look that bad. I'm probably not gonna worry about it. It's got a plug-in back here. I wanted to see what this thing does. Oh, that's cool. Comment below. Do y'all think those seats are original? Like, really, do y'all think those are original? I've never seen them. I've seen them fully, like, red and stuff like that, but I've never seen the black and red inserts. That's cool to me. Dang it, we should look and see if it had a backup camera. I think we already looked in the trunk. There ain't nothing cool in there. But look at that lights. And it's black. All I need now is some, those little lights you put right here for the cops. I would think this car would be a lot cooler than this. I'm expecting like a Lamborghini out of a Dodge Charger. And it really ain't that cool. I mean, they're cool. They look cool. Get all this cleaned up. I got a water pump leaking. Water pump leaking. And what else? Now that I know what the damage is, we know it needs a wheel. There's an upper control arm I'll have to show in the next video. And start tearing it apart in the next video. But what y'all think of the new project? Just honestly. If you ain't like, subscribe, go ahead and do that. I got an Instagram and Facebook, links are listed below. This ain't bad for $4 grand. Well, 4,500. Let's keep the number straight. 4,500 so far. I got in it. Borrowed a trailer, but it needs cleaned. Look how dirty it is. Oh, that's cool. Got a light right there. That's wild. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. I don't know. Next video, I'll probably clean it. Get that wheel and that low upper control arm replaced, and that's what we'll expect in the next video. If y'all like the car, I don't know if I'm gonna do a whole lot. Really, I'm just fixing it up. I'll drive it through the holidays. It's about to be Christmas time, New Year's, all that stuff. I always gotta show up in style. I'm just kidding. Most of these cars I buy are a piece of junk. But anyways, this car would be a good car for that. And then I'm gonna sell it during tax season. I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not a keeping type of guy. I gotta watch this. Ready, set, go. I told you that they work. that remote start works. To me, that is so, like, mind-blowing. I'm telling you, this is like the newest car I've ever had. But 2014 Dodge Charger RT. I can't figure out if it has track or any of that stuff yet. I don't know. I never had a new car, and I'm not a Dodge person. But regardless, we got a Dodge, and we're gonna fix it up. I think I am gonna put some wheels on it. The window's already tinted. I'm not gonna waste money on that. I didn't think I was gonna do a video for like a year because I was like, man, I'm out of cars. I don't have nothing to show. I'll see y'all in the next video on this RT Charger, and I appreciate all the love and support.